Hi fellas, and what we have here, we have the Makita HR2811F, and it's a really nice rotary hammer wheel from the Makita, and it's powerful enough, almost lightweight, and it's a really durable, good model. And for this one, the customer told that it have the clutch problem, and yeah, we will check it. Of course, for that we need to disassemble it. And we will do that. Yeah, I will start from the disassembling this tool. Okay, where's my PH2 bit? Okay, I will open the bottom of the tool. I need to unscrew the handle screws. Okay. One screw here. I will push it with a screwdriver a little bit. This tool's seen a lot of dust, so sometimes for a tool like this, the housing is getting out not very easily. Okay. We have the handle out, we have the spring was here, and yeah, taking it out. Now we have the connectors here. You can see the pink, orange, the black, the white, I think, the red, and the red one. I want to disconnect them, or we can try to not disconnect it, but the handle will mess around with us. Okay. Removing the case housing. Okay, now we can check the carbon brushes, and as we can see, the line of the carbon brush where it ends here, so we have a lot of carbon brush left now. I will not replace them. Take it out the second carbon brush. Okay, now I want to remove this housing, and normally you are pressing it out and it's going. Now it's not, it can be because of this. So I will use the rubber hammer. Okay, now it's moving. And okay, I got it out. The second thing, what I want to do, I want to separate the hammer housing from the motor housing. That's why I need to unscrew the 4 screws here. And just taking the armature out. You can inspect the field, if it's damaged or not. Now it's not damaged, so everything is going to the box. Into the box. Okay, now we have the armature, and we have the cover here. Yep. Okay, opening it, we will check what we have here. Okay, the armature just fall out. The ball bearing is wobble a little bit, so it needs to be replaced. The gear of the armature looks good. the torque limiter, and I don't know if it's good. It's really seems like got some load here, and the gears a little bit worn out. Okay, we have the washer. This washer was here. We have the clutch here, so we need to check it by removing the spring ring. And we can wrap these parts here, just saving the space on a table. Okay, cleaning, and we have the spring ring here. I'll just try to remove it. Now cannot get a grip with these pliers. Yeah. I will try to lift it with a utility knife. Yeah, I can lift it. So now I need a screwdriver and got the ring out. Okay, what we have here now, I will make the better view here. I will take out this button. Everything pops out. That's not bad for us. Okay, just cleaning the gear here, and we can inspect the corners of it, and the corners looks good. Okay, so inspecting the corner of this one. The customer told that the clutch slips even if you can drill some with a 6mm drill bit, and the clutch here seems to be good. You can see the corners looks nice. Okay, just taking the spring. We'll take out the pin because I don't want to lose it. Now just wrapping these parts in a paper. Okay. Now what we will do next, we will disassemble the tool holder. It's pretty same as on the other smaller hammer drills, and it's really easy. Of course not all the time, but most of the time it's easy to disassemble this tool holder. Okay, and we can see that the tool holder inside is shining like a clean nice metal. That means the customer not using grease for the chisel, and that's not good for the tool because the grease pushing out all the dirt, and of course clean the tools and lubricates the metal parts. It's a metal part moving, and when the two metal parts is moving and touching each other, you need to lubricate them. Okay, I need Allen key, 4mm Allen key. Okay, it's only 4 screws here, and now we can take it out, and we can check the gears here. The gears here looks good. Okay, we have the very tiny O-ring here, which we need to remove to take out the gear. Okay, it's a spring here. Now it's a tool holder here. We have some plastic parts here which we want to check. And we are suspecting that some of that parts can be damaged. Okay, just right here. Yeah, the O-ring is worn a little bit, but really not much. Okay, now metal gear looks good here. And the plastic one here. I'll try to clean it a little bit. The plastic one looks a little bit damaged. It can be a reason why it not connects perfectly. I don't know if you can see or not, but the corners is a little bit damaged. So it can be a reason why it slips, because it's not connects properly. Now it connects easily. And of course, you can always inspect the gear. This gear, we can inspect it from the here. And it looks worn, but really not as bad as it can be. Okay, so honestly, I think we need to replace the plastic gear here inside, and we need to replace the torque limiter, because it will be bad and slipping because all loose. Yeah, and of course we will put some new oil here, and I think the tool will be working again. Yep, so that's all for this tool. It's a really simple, small tool. It's good for use, good for the assemble. It's really, I love it, this tool. It's a really great tool, and I like it a lot. And yeah, okay, thank you for watching. That was the Makita HR2811F without changeable tool holder. And of course I will try to be back to you with the assemble video of this tool. And okay, just have a nice day or evening, or what is on your country, because sometimes it's morning on one country and evening in another. Okay, just bye.